Welcome all. I am Mr. Vinod Atkari from VRSS Agro Engineering LLP Pune. I myself and Mr. Rajendra Kolle established this startup in this year 2022. I am MTech in Agricultural Process and Food Engineering and Mr. Rajendra is BE in Mechanical Engineer. We have 15 years of experience in manufacturing of the grain storage silos and material handling systems for different types of grains. Now I will explain our startup. This is the solar PV panel which will continuously supply the electricity to the operating the blower and ozone generator. This solar PV panel it is of 40 watt capacity. It will generate current around 3 ampere and 18 volt. The charging circuit is there at the bottom. So it is in that red signal is indicating the charging of the battery. So the it will supply the electricity to the battery. So the battery will be charged and our blower and ozone generator will be operated by using that electricity. This is the control panel through which we can operate the blower and ozone generator just by switching this switch. Here we installed three sensors like moisture sensor, humidity sensor and temperature sensor. We will able to continuously monitor the quality of the grains and the specification of environment like humidity and temperature of air, etc. So the silo will fill from the bottom and we will get the grains from the silo will be filled from the top and we'll get the grain from the bottom by just opening the gate. So this is the ozone generator which will generate the ozone gas of 500 milligram per hour capacity, and this is the blower. It is of 500 watt to 12 volt capacity. Blower is used to supply the air. So this is our innovation we are applying here with. At domestic level, currently farmers and consumers adopting old storage aids that like PP bags, gunny bags, kangi, so plastic bags also. So currently by using these old storage aids, farmers are facing too much post-harvest losses, that is around 10 to 20%. To overcome this post-harvest losses problem, we come up with new innovative grain storage silo solutions with smaller capacities, that is from 100 kg to maximum any capacity. We can design up to 100 metric ton also. So our silos are incorporated with ozone fumigation provided with solar PV panels for electrical inputs. Strong aeration supply system is provided from the bottom of the silo with supplemented air heating, and also we are providing QMS system, that is quality monitoring systems for the silo to measure relative humidity, moisture content and temperature of the storage environment. So we can monitor the quality of grains periodically during the storage of the silo. So farmers can store food grains in our silos for maximum duration and they can get a benefit of demand and supply gap. So farmers can be benefited by using our silos. Also the losses, storage losses can be controlled, so the nutritional value of the grains will be kept as it is. So we are from VRSS Agro Engineering LLP Pune thankful to the CIRCOT, RABI Mumbai and RKVI Raftar, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Government of India for giving the funding support to convert our innovative concept of this silo into the successful startup. Thank you.